Hola a todos. Bueno, les explicaré una cosa. Creo que no podré subir videos durante un largo tiempo porque aquí está la explicación, o mejor, esto es lo que pasa en el YouTube ahora. No sé, en mi PC pasa así. Ya intenté reiniciándolo como unas 4 veces. Si alguien sabe cómo arreglarlo, díganmelo en los comentarios. Bueno, haré un spendenart, creo que así se deletrea, no sé, mi inglés es bastante malo, de mi amiga de cómo será en una futura serie y cuando ya termine el primer capítulo que ni siquiera he terminado. Bueno, así será, aunque no está terminado el dibujo en realidad. Bueno, ahora comenzar. Así que, bueno, la verdad es que no sé hacer muy bien los spin-offs, ya que si ven uno se será distinto como yo lo hago, ya que no sé cómo, y si alguien sabe cómo hacerlo como se ven en normalmente todos los videos de Steinart, creo que así se debe quedar. Me lo diga por favor también en los comentarios. Bueno, sin más que agregar, le vamos a poner una canción para que no para que al menos no estén aburridos.
We're forced to be still
Creo que se trabó. Bueno.
Look over there is the Eggman. Can he stay as he can with his cartoon gang? It's a game they made for you. So when the time has started, the dreams come true. Watch as the monsters come to life before your very eyes. Can't help but wonder as your feet too blown. This birthday clock comes around and stops your heart. But the innocence is real. So many feel. And your mind was tasty, that's the deal. Make sure that I will steal. We broke the lines of childhood dreams. We look better staring you down. Have you got the patience, although the clown become your competition? These jams, speak and slang and flow with how kickstart your charger screens, play loud and scramble the hours and we will have research your software, take good care. The speaker's body sits and says, and the body trace no soul inside, consume the funk and let it ride. This is a Flumpty Jam. Yes, this is a Flumpty Jam. Now the game begins with a bang. You've been here for the longest time as you fear for your life with a sharpened knife. And I watch as saw they rip your face up to the core. The red man begins his awakening. The monster of 1,000 faces speeches pain for the path no places. Beating and patience will be veiled. Play high throughout the spooky trail. Hallucinating golden fields. You got the power, although you fall down from the complication. Jump up, love up, Flumpty's jam. Speak and spam and flow with ham. Kickstart your charger screens, play loud and scramble the hours and we will laugh. Research your software, take good care. The speaker's body sits and says that the body trace no soul inside. Consume the funk and let it ride. This is the Flumpty Jam. Yes, this is the Flumpty Jam. Now the clock begins.
Perdón, creo que tendré que darle pausa un rato.
Cry, now your fate is all to die. So begin the Flumpty Jam. Welcome to Flumpty's. Keep those lights off when they're all turned off, then you're safe. If the lights are on, they'll come find you and rip you a brand new face. Can you feel it? Watch out for the current, or you'll panic more and more. Listening, can you see it? Keep focused, otherwise I'll wipe your face on the wall. So Flumpty's, keep those lights off when they're all turned off, then you're safe. Turn off, then you're safe. If the lights are on, they'll come find you and rip you a brand new face. Flumpty's coming after you. Jump up, laugh out, Flumpty's jam. Speak and spam and flow with ham. Kickstart your charger screens, play loud and scramble the hours and we will have research your software, take good care. The speaker's body sits and says that the body trace no soul inside. Consume the funk and let it ride. This is the Flumpty Jam. Yes, this is the Flumpty Jam. Now the clock begins to cry. Now your fate is all to die. So begin the Flumpty Jam. Welcome to Flumpty's. Keep those lights off when they're all turned off, then you're safe. Turn off, then you're safe. If the lights are on, they'll come find you and rip you a brand new face.
Ya se termina esto, aunque no lo hice muy bien.